Hey guys, it's Patty Esperon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am starting the vlog here in the plane. We are and we're on the way to Boracay. This is gonna be my well, technically the first trip of 2024, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna bring you along with me to the places that we're gonna go to. This is Kuya Mark behind me, and I'm with my family for this trip. Although I love solo traveling, this is gonna be a good family trip. The whole family is like complete after so long of not being. So yeah, we're gonna do a lot of activities. I'll bring you around and I'll make sure to let you know the spots it's worth going to. Alright, bye for now. So we made it to the boat already. Ayun, so pupunta na kami sa Mandarin Nest. That's where our hotel is gonna be. I'm really excited of how it'll look like because I don't actually know what it looks like. But this boat ride is gonna take 15 minutes down. So let's enjoy the view. Okay, may pa-welcome po sila. Content creator din ang sister ko. Love it. Wow! Welcome to Mandarin Nest. This is what our room looks like. It's giving Bali room. A place in Bali with the rattan decoration. This is a mirror. That's me, by the way. This is my outfit at the airport. Very chill. And this is the bathroom. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, hey there. Kimi. Anyway, so I went ahead from the eating area to the bedroom so I can use the bathroom and get settled in first. And low-key, I just needed like alone time to ground and just be present by myself because that's the way that I am. So yeah, I'm just like taking in this moment where I'm laying down, looking at everything around me and just being so grateful. Also a little sleepy, that's why I went ahead. But yeah, so I'm gonna nap a bit, like low-key, and then wake up later to swim by the beach. Oh, thank you God, thank you universe, thank you spirit, thank you creator, thank you source, thank you being, thank you na sa lahat. But yes, and my parents and my ates, oh my gosh, thank you so much. So ayun, life is good, this is nice. Done swimming. That was so refreshing.
Look at that, so many people on the beach front now. Huh?
Yeah.
Tapos yung mga blue, mga sailing boats doon. No?
Here, let's go inside one of the shops. And as usual, I'm gonna go shopping again. It's so cute. Ito na naman ako. I'm shopping again. But I haven't picked anything. Isn't this a look? Like, it's cute.
She finally made it.
It's the life.
Yeah,
The life is here.
the actual
The life is
trip
here.
starts now.
Yeah, like what the fuck? Like
We're gonna go out. It's 10 p.m. and we're gonna go out to explore Mall.
Mall, you know, there's more to it than
Ay, yung stretch na yon.
yeah. Just beyond Mall is Epic, which is a bar. But
It's right there. Diyan.
we can check it out if you want.
Yeah. So we're gonna explore now.
Hey vlog, good morning. So I just meditated to ground myself today, and this is my bangs, by the way. Got bangs recently, and right now I'm getting ready to go out by dressing up. This is today's bikini of the day from O'Neill, I believe, and I like how my bangs complement the outfit. It's so cute. Sorry, I'm a little bit shaky right now. But yeah. So anyway, today's plan, I'm gonna eat breakfast alone and then I'm gonna go to the beach with them. They said today we're gonna do water activities, so looking forward to that, but just taking things slow. And later tonight, I think we're gonna go out with my sisters, but let's see. So let's have a good day.
May alon ngayon sa Boracay. Nag-surfing kami kanina kasi mukhang may alon. Nakakuha ko ng isa, pero sakto lang.
I'm so happy I got a tan line.
Oh my god. I just finished shopping alone, having some alone time. I'm so glad I didn't have a panic attack while being alone. And it felt good to finally just like explore again, like the feeling of solo traveling. Even if I'm on a family travel, I love that. And right now I'm just watching the sunset at the beach under these beautiful coconut trees. And I'm also stargazing and just enjoying my alone time. Then we'll go to dinner after. That's her outfit. I'm wearing the same outfit as a while ago.
Isa pa.
Katalin? Ay nako! Ay nako! This is where we're eating dinner tonight. On the top of the world again. The only explanation it looks so good.
So for the last night, this is our get up. I'm wearing this top that I thrifted from Angestionge, hey girl, and the skirt from Canada, I believe. And here, let me flip my camera. I have been meaning to wear this outfit somewhere ever since I curated it in my mind, because look at the back. Oh, look at the back. It's so hot. And so yeah, I look like an eggplant, but a really pretty eggplant. And yeah, so as usual, my jewelry is gold with some evil eye rings.
So my sister and I are going out. This is our outfit of the night. These are our outfit.
My rings!
We're gonna have fun. For the last night.
Di rin kami inom ata. Titignan lang namin yung nightlife. Okay, bye for now.
So we just came from that bar, whatever, and
Summer place.
we only drank one drink. We're still fine, which is the optimal.
Like I really just don't want to drink anymore. Like it's not a man. Like you know, yeah.
That's on maturity.
Yeah.
So it's just like a good mix of dancing. That's it.
I just
Nice.
This is Ben. Nice to meet you. We're gonna visit bars with him, and he's gonna show us around. Okay, we are now in exit bar. Puno ng mga afam. Let's go! Let's go!
Damn, look at this sunny morning. Kung kailan kami aalis, now it's sunny. But I'm still grateful to see this view. Look at that.
So while waiting for everyone, I just chose to sunbathe. I think hindi ako directly under the sun. Oh my god, it's giving I'm in Hawaii having an alone time, but it's really nice. I just have this moment for myself. And behind me is literally where we were last night in Epic. But yeah, this is nice. Just reflecting on how good the trip has been and like how I'm just entering this new era in my life, which I really like. This new era that I'm entering in. So yeah, this is a good ending to my trip. Seeing this beautiful view right now, reflecting and just being grateful. So yeah, this is nice. Bye, Boracay!